Right here.
Here,
Throw it
Jude,
down.
You want to throw this?
Throw it down right on the ground.
Right here.
I ate mine. Papa.
Oh my God!
What? He came right to my God.
Did you see that?
It's right at me.
Take a couple pieces. Don't worry about that one. We'll get it later. Whoa, watch out. Back up, Elijah. Watch out for those horns right there, buddy.
I'm watching out for this one. Those are big old
Jude, look at you.
Back to the baby, I guess. Hold on, don't wait until we get closer. Yeah, see? See, look at that.
Look at that baby nursing.
She's nursing. She's eating.
Aww.
There's another one.
Oh.
What's it doing?
A little baby right here.
Why is she doing that?
She's eating. The baby's eating from her mama.
Cut. It's a bite.
Because that's how babies eat.
That's how baby animals eat.
Oh! I didn't know that. I didn't actually know that.
I'm going to try and go around y'all, okay? So you don't have to move. Right when it gets close.
Wow, that one with the long horns just got his whole head in the car.
I saw him. That was pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. That was cool. Look!
Stop it.
Good job.
Bye. Ouch!
Your head.
Yeah. I'm okay.
Whoa, look how close this guy is.
Oh! That is it.
Hi.
Hi. That's a big one.
Yeah.
These are so close. And look, those two zebras were fighting.
Ah.
It came right back here. Where are you? Nope.
Elijah.
Whoa!
What's going on?
Anything want something to eat?
Elijah, can you scoot over here and sit right next
Yeah,
to me?
get right next to him. Next to the zebra. Get right next to the zebra.
Right here, right here.
Get over there. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Look at Daddy.
Turn around, look at me.
Look at Daddy.
Turn around, look at me, look at me, look at me. Hi.
Hi. What?
No, whoa. Let's not take a bite, okay?
I can't believe it.
Zebra's following us.
Yeah. Not again. Not again. I can't believe.
Jude, look at the zebra!
Jude, look. See the zebras?
Oh, it's 4 animals.
On that side right there.
It's a
Watch
zebra.
out, watch out.
There's
Throw
a
it.
zebra, Jude.
Throw
Look,
it,
look,
throw
look.
it, throw it.
What? It's getting right towards us. Woo! It's in our car. Oh, it's in our
There we go. Jude, it's a zebra, Jude.
See the zebra?
Look at that!
It's right
Look,
in
Jude.
our car.
Jude, look at the zebra.
This
Look, Jude. Look.
zebra. It's eating
You want to feed him, Elijah? Here.
Give it to me. Give it to me.
Yeah.
Jude, look at the zebra. Look at
Hands
the
straight
giraffe.
out. Hands
Look
straight
at the
out.
giraffe.
What's he doing?
He's getting his tongue in there.